We are the Beach Shacks team of Perdido Key, Florida with Home Smart Sunshine Realty. We have offices right here in Perdido Key and Bellagio shopping area. Our listings and all contact information is at www.shacks.com. Welcome to Riva East. Located on the Gulf in Perdido Key, you will love this immaculate 4-bedroom residence, professionally decorated and meticulously maintained. This 3,186 square foot unit features an amazing, spacious floor plan, large kitchen, ample space in all 4 bedrooms, laundry room, private foyer entrance, off the elevators. Stunning Gulf views from the master suite, bath, and second Gulf front guest bedroom. Over 900 feet expansive Gulf front balcony and north-facing balcony. Selling mostly furnished. Seller purchasing a new ice maker for bar area west/fridge, great for entertaining. Deeded and assigned garage parking and climate-controlled storage closet off the lobby. The amenities include an outdoor and indoor pool, fitness west/steam and saunas rooms, hot tub, and an updated foyer and professionally decorated community room, west/billiard table, and full kitchen. 2 elevators. This is a restricted rental residence, west/only 66 units on 520 of private, never crowded beach, west/boardwalk.